Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a remote team with Zoom, complete guide step by step clearly. Identify the roles you need to fill in your remote team. Create detailed job descriptions for each position. Choose the right platforms to advertise your job openings. Use social media, job boards, and your network to reach potential candidates. Screen applicants carefully by reviewing resumes and conducting initial interviews. Set up a structured interview process involving relevant team members. Use video conferencing tools like Zoom for interviews to gauge real-time communication skills. Evaluate candidates based on their qualifications and team fit. Once you've selected candidates, extend offers and discuss their roles. Prepare for a smooth onboarding process for your new team members. Create a welcome package that includes essential resources and tools. Schedule an introductory Zoom meeting to welcome the team. Foster open communication by establishing regular check-ins. Use Zoom to schedule weekly or bi-weekly team meetings. Encourage collaboration through Zoom's breakout rooms for group discussions. Provide training sessions on tools and technologies your team will use. Promote a culture of feedback by encouraging team members to share their thoughts. Utilize project management tools to track progress and assign tasks. Set clear expectations around deadlines and deliverables. Maintain visibility by sharing team accomplishments and updates during meetings. Address any challenges or concerns promptly during your discussions. Encourage social interactions by scheduling informal Zoom coffee chats. Cultivate team bonding through virtual team building activities. Regularly assess team dynamics and address any issues proactively. Be flexible and open to adjusting processes based on team feedback. Celebrate successes and recognize individual contributions. Keep adapting and improving your remote team setup as needs evolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.